Alright, we've got 3 heavy boxes, and when we weigh them 2 at a time, their weights are 63 kilograms, 65 kilograms, and 66 kilograms. What's the difference between the heaviest and the lightest box? Alright, well, let's assign letters to each one of these boxes. I'm just going to call them A, B, and C. And I'm also going to say that A is the lightest one. You know, because if they're all different weights, then one of them's got to be the lightest and one's got to be the heaviest, right? So I'm going to make A the lightest box, B the middle, and C the heaviest box. Okay, I'm just going to assign those letters. I don't know how much each box weighs, or you know which is which over here, but I'm just going to assign that. So when we add the 2 lightest boxes, A plus B, we get the lightest weight. And we've got 63, 65, and 66. So the 2 lightest boxes have got to weigh 63 kilograms. And when we weigh the middle one, actually, I'm going to weigh the light one again with the heaviest one. All right. So if I weigh the lightest one and the heaviest one, that's going to give us the middle number, which is 65. And when we weigh the 2 heaviest boxes, we're going to get the heaviest weight, which is the 66 kilograms. Okay? So, let's see what we can do with this information. What I want is the difference between the heaviest and the lightest boxes. And you can see, if I look at these 2 equations, the first one and the last one here. Now, if I actually subtract those 2 equations from each other, I can get B to go away, which I like, because all I want to know about is A and C. And what I want to know is the difference between, the positive difference between A and C. Okay, but since C is the heaviest box, then really it's C minus A. So let's do that. Let's take these 2 equations and subtract them. Okay, so, and I'm actually, because this one has a bigger number and I like positive numbers, I'm actually going to take this equation, B plus C, alright, and I'm going to subtract A plus B. Okay, so I'm just taking these 2 equations. Now I could write them like this. I could say A plus B equals 63, and B plus C is equal to 66. And then subtract the top one, which is kind of odd, but and then I get 3. When I subtract B from B, I get 0, so I end up with C minus A. Okay, so there you can see the answer right there, because C is the heaviest and A is the lightest, and so that their difference is 3 kilograms. The way I was doing it here, I know that B plus C is 66, and I know that A plus B is 63. So I know this is equivalent, and you can see that if I rewrite this, and then I distribute the negative sign inside the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to get minus A minus B, and that's 3, and you can see here we have a minus B and a plus B. Those go away. So we get the same thing, C minus A is equal to 3 kilograms. Not 3 grams, 3 kilograms. Alright? So that wasn't too hard. Just a matter of figuring out how to solve these equations. Okay? So, and then once you've got that, subtract them so we can get rid of B, and then we end up with the difference between the lightest and the heaviest is 3 kilograms.